Welcome back, dreamers. I'm Kira and this is Homestead Dreaming. As you know, I've been having some issues with predators lately, trying to feast on my chickens. So my next door neighbor was nice enough to lend me this Have a Heart trap. So we are going to set that up this evening and see if we can catch ourselves a raccoon. Until then, we've got a few things to do around the homestead, and I'm just gonna take you along with me. I ended up moving our fire pit. I didn't really like it here in the middle. Kind of felt like it was closing off the yard a little bit. So I actually moved it to right here. And a lot heavier than I expected those to be. But you know, I got the job done. Ladies and gentlemen. All right. Beauties. My main goal for today is to clear out, make room for me to set up the trap right here under this window. We gotta clean up this general area, make it a little nicer. We've got some friends coming over for a little bit of a brunchy brunch, and yeah. So we had a great celebration with our friends for Veterans Day to celebrate my husband, who is an Army veteran, and my friend's husband, who is a Navy veteran. Fire's still warm, and we had a great time. Now I'm needing to put some more bedding in the coop, and because of the overnight lows and tomorrow's overnight lows being so low and us getting our first snow, I have made the judgment call to go ahead and bring our quail inside the house. I would rather be safe than sorry. So I'm gonna put some bedding in some very large dog crates, and I'm going to be bringing them inside, at least for a little while, just to protect them from that cold. Not comfortable putting a space heater or a heat lamp in my detached garage. I find that those are fire hazards, so rather than risking burning down our entire coop and detached garage, I'm just gonna go ahead and bring them inside and keep them warm that way. and locked their window. So nothing should be able to get in or out of this. And now, and I put some more bedding down here, and of course they will do the spreading for me. I've gotten 1 egg in the last 3 days out of all these chickens. All right, let's get these quail inside. It's getting dark. Ooh. So as you can tell, it is almost dark, and we are going to bait a raccoon in this have a heart trap and set it out overnight and see if we can catch anything. Okay, so I got the tuna in the have a heart trap, and I am excited to see what I'm going to be able to catch in this have a heart trap. Hopefully, I catch something. It's actually kind of warm right now. It's like 70 degrees. It's crazy. And then tomorrow it's gonna snow. So overnight, hopefully somebody gets cold and decides that they're wanting to come and look for some more chickens, and what they're gonna find is a tuna in a trap. So not a tuna, but a can of tuna in a trap. So all right, we got tuna in the back of this have a heart trap. Oh! And it's sprung and it's set. Hi. Did you help me put the tuna in the trap?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's see if we can catch something. You want to catch a raccoon?
Yeah.
Yeah? Fishy, don't go in there. No, 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 no! No, 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 no. You're gonna get trapped. Stop. All right, the trap is set. Let's go inside. See y'all in the morning. Well, it's the next day. It went from the mid-70s to literally the teens. The wind chill is like 15 degrees, and I'm really trying not to slip down my stairs because they're full of ice. So we're gonna be very careful. My cat's out here like, why did I come out here? He's like, so the trap did spring, but it's empty. I'm thinking that maybe it was a little too windy, and that's what caused it to spring. Because there's nothing in there. We're just gonna have to try again tonight. Okay, so I went ahead and let everyone out. It's cold. I don't know if they're actually gonna want to be out there for very long. It's super windy, so we'll see. I know, it's cold. Go. No, the door. Okay. I have to go shut the other door. I lied, y'all. The other day when I said I like the cold weather and I raised my hand, I lied. I don't like this cold. It's too cold. Yep, we're done. Happy Veterans Day, y'all. It's cold. I'm going inside. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Okay, we're good, we're good. It's so cold. Okay, I'm done.